bayasho abanye ukuthi ayikho lento esiyenzayo lezi kanjani into eziningi. Nezinye ingqinamba esihlangabezana nazo zokuthi abantwana labesihamba nabo abanye baphuma emakhayeni abo amaqiniso bafike bawathole kuthina akekho ekhaya osuke ezokhuluma nabo. Uthola ukuthi lento omtshela zona uyaqala ukuzizwa ngawe. Lokho kukwenza ukuthi wena iba umzali wangempela kulomntwana.
Ngoba kunolimi olusetshenziswayo olwemvelo elithiwa ukubhina. Uma ngifunda ezinye incwadi ngiyathola ukuthi bathi hawu inhlamba le inhlamba kabi. Ngathi mina mangiyifunda le ndaba ayikho inhlamba ingoba izitho zikhishwa njengoba zinjalo inhlamba yileyo. Mangabe abelungu becula amacilo you are too sexy for my shirt yami kube kuhle nje. Indaba yelanguage thina inkinga kakhulu. Ziyabhina intombi lapho ngoba ungumama wemvelo. Into ibizwa njengoba injalo inhlamba yimvelo.
Abazali abasikhulisayo bayazi ukuthi badabukaphi. So basikhulisa ngendlela abakhule ngayo from emuva. Even though abantu basijaja ngeculture yethu, thina vele siya phambili ngoba siyayithanda.
uNomkhubulwana then is one of the goddesses, who is the goddess or the mother of life. For example, the female form is a very, very important form that is important for the sustenance of life itself. It is the fire, the energy, the everlasting energy that is responsible to sustain life itself.